How to equip two accessories at once in Roblox Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can equip two or more accessories at once in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll actually need to open up your Roblox on your browser. So open up roblox.com, and after you do that, log in into your account. Now tap on the three lines on the top left and then head over to Avatar. After you head over to Avatar, you will notice that it will ask you to open it in Roblox app, but that's not necessary. So tap on this icon right here, and after you tap on it, tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Now request desktop website. After you request desktop website, you will then be able to see that you can actually change your avatar here. Now here you can choose different accessories that you want, so just choose multiple accessories. You can head over to the accessories section as well. So let me just head over to the head, and there you go. Now if you want to add accessories, you can just choose whichever accessories that you want. So I'll just head over to head body. Let me just go to accessories and head over to the waist one, and there if you want to just buy an accessory, you can buy that as well. So do that, and what you'll actually need to do is just copy this code from the accessory. So let me just open this up. After doing that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to copy the code for that very accessory, and to copy that code you'll need to head over to this advanced option. After you copy a code, you'll just need to type it in under asset ID. So to copy the code, first locate your accessory that you want. So let me just head over to the accessory section. So let's see which other accessories I have. So let's go to the neck one. Okay, so each and every accessory is actually equipped here, but what you actually need to do is just locate an accessory. After you select the accessory, you'll need to head over to the link option, and under link you'll find that very code. After you do that, tap on the advanced option and type that asset ID here, and after you do that, you'll have equipped multiple accessories. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video in App Hacks. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.